Hollywood and Western web series seems to have a plethora of content and narratives when it comes to human trafficking. But then, in comparison to Bollywood industry, they have got handful of that. But when it comes to OTT platform, there is a lacuna or a void. It seems that OTT platform and the digital streaming platform had waited this long to get some real drama and a creative content about human trafficking. Hi guys, this is Pankaj Beer and you're watching me on Reviews Unplugged, where you get the real insight. Well friends, you have already figured it out that I'm talking about a web series with the name of Flesh, which is currently streaming on Eros Now. Nightmarish scenarios are relentlessly piled upon one another. This 8-episode web series, which has been directed by Danish Aslam and screenplay by Pooja Ladha Suri, wherein a sleep-deprived woman's character, which is been played by Swara Bhaskar, she's a cop who is on the hot pursuit to bust a human trafficking racket. Well, this series are not for the uneasy hearts and ill-fated people, because the entire narrative and the entire storyline it filled with explicit scenes and abusive languages. Well, it comes with an undisclosed disclaimer that kindly do not watch this series along with kids and your family members, because it may gives you a certain kind of uncomfortable moments. Moving to our next segment, 5 pointers: cast, plot, direction, what's wow, and reviews unplugged rating. Coming to cast, Swara Bhaskar in the role of Radha, who is a ACP in human trafficking unit, has definitely pulled some strings about the character. You're definitely gonna enjoy her character. Of course, her character is gonna liked by certain class of audience, and when I say class, then definitely you're gonna figure it out what kind of a class I'm talking about. Well, Radha has definitely shown some capabilities of the character of an ACP, and this time Swara Bhaskar has come up with some flying colors. Akshay Oberoi played the character of Taj, who is in the lead negative role, conveys the degree of menace required to put the fear of evil in the heart of ordinary and mortals around him. Mahima Makwana played the character of Zoya, who is a rebellious teenager, and her rebellious character you can understand in a scene where a book lying on her bed with a title written on it, The Subtle Art of Giving a Damn, which has been written by Mark Manson. Yudhishthir Urs and Vidya Malwade played the character of Shekhar and Zeba, who are the parents of Zoya. When Zoya got abducted, they become frenetic and disturbed. The kind of disturbed and frenetic character they have played on the screen is definitely gonna get some applaud, and they have come up to the expectation of the director Danish Aslam. Talking about the direction, this series is directed by Danish Aslam. It seems that Danish Aslam has not shown his high-end directorial capabilities, because one can easily expect a kind of a director who has directed the movies like War and Break Ke Baad, and directed an ace actor like Hrithik Roshan in a movie like War. Here, he has not shown his directorial capabilities in form while touching a very sensitive concept of human trafficking. Well, audience were expecting something which is very much edge on the seat kind of a concept from this web series, but finally it turns out to be a sex drama which has grabbed the eyeballs of certain class of audience. Talking about the plot, story seems repetitive. I mean to say, human trafficking issues which has been touched by other directors, there's nothing seems to be very much new, or new aspect has been enrolled or indulged in this web series. Secondly, there are multiple narratives which intersect at some point of time, somewhere around 4th or 5th episodes. So in totality, if I talk about the plot, there is nothing new you are going to watch. Definitely, it's a one-time watch. It's not a kind of a edge on the seat kind of a concept. Going deeper into the plot, there are two narratives, or the two storylines go side by side. One, where a teenage girl got abducted by human traffickers and their frenetic parents goes all along to grapple the entire police system to get their daughter back. In second narrative, there is a girl child with his younger brother is being held captive by human traffickers. Talking about What's Wow moment. In very initial stages of episode, where ACP Radha, played by Swara Bhaskar, reveals her identity as an ACP while busting a human trafficking racket. That's, I can say, a wow moment from my point of view. Secondly, the character of Taj, which has been played by Akshay Oberoi, a lead negative role. Her character definitely gives you some of exciting moments and wow moments. Other than that, the entire web series is filled with explicit scenes. Talking about the What's Wow moment more, Al Capone splits scenes at the end of the episodes, somewhere around in 7th or 8th episodes, which definitely rises up the tensions among the audience that what's going to happen next. Coming to the last of the segment, Reviews Unplugged rating. I would like to give only 2.5 star out of 5 star, and that too only for touching such a sensitive topic like human trafficking. Other than that, there is nothing to give any kind of a stars for this particular web series. At end of my review, I would like to say that this entire web series is a kind of a virtual placard, which is where it is written that look, we are showing you torture, gore and evil behavior. Look, we are showing you sex. Look, we are showing you one night stand. If these kind of things appeals you, definitely this web series is a one-time watch for you. So guys, how did you like my reviews? Please do mention in the comment section. Subscribe my channel Reviews Unplugged. Please hit the bell icon. You can follow me on Twitter and Insta also. My Twitter handle is @beer_Pankaj and my Insta profile is reviews_unplugged. So guys, I will be back with some more exciting reviews on other web series and films. So bye for now and namaste.